Today's video is all about how you can get an excellent credit score in the UK without spending a penny. My credit score is 638. It is not perfect, but it is still pretty good. Just so you know, you don't need to be perfect. I just want to make sure how this works and how to improve your credit score. If you want lower interest rates on mortgages, better deals on credit cards, and to boost your financial reputation, then you are in the right place. I'm talking about going from subprime to superprime. So you can finally say goodbye to rejections and hello to the VIP treatment. Why a high credit score matters in the UK. A top tier credit score, often 961 plus with Experian or 811 plus with Equifax and 628 plus with TransUnion, can unlock incredible perks. Think super. Low mortgage rates, easy approvals for flat rentals, and top-tier credit card rewards. Struggling with a poor or fair score? Don't stress. I will show you how to bounce back. A strong credit score signals you are responsible and trustworthy. Yes, people do care about that. The 5 factors that determine your score. Your credit score in the UK is compiled from data by Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They look at your financial history, every loan, credit card, and payment you have ever had. Here are the 5 main factors. Number 1, payment history, 35% impact. Pay on time, every time. Late payments can stay on your report for up to 6 years. Set up direct debits for all your bills. 0 excuses to miss a payment. Number 2, credit utilization, 30% impact. This is huge in the UK. If you regularly max out your credit cards, lenders see you as a high risk. Aim to stay below 30% or even 10% of your total available credit limit. Make extra card payments before your statement. This keeps your reported balance low. Number 3, length of credit history, 15% impact. The longer you have had credit, the better. An established history shows stability. Don't close old credit cards, even if you don't use them. They help maintain a longer, healthier profile. Number 4, credit mix, 10% impact. A mortgage, credit card, and car finance might look better than just 5 credit cards. But don't open random accounts just for variety, quality over quantity. Number 5, new credit, 10% impact. Every time you apply for credit, lenders do a hard search, which can impact your score negatively. If you need to rate, shop for a mortgage or car finance. Do it within 14 days so all those searches count as one. How to jump from subprime to superprime. Plan your applications. If you're going to apply for a new credit, do it when you don't need a perfect score. Like right after you have already sorted your mortgage or flat rental. Check for errors and fraud. Mistakes happen. Check your reports regularly through services like Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. Free with apps like ClearScore. Any incorrect info can impact your score. Fixing it can lead to a massive jump. Keep your old accounts open. Remember, it improves your credit history, length, and lowers your utilization. Quick fire tips to supercharge your score. Use credit cards strategically. Aim for multiple small payments throughout the month. Set up automatic payments. Never risk a late bill again. Build gradually. Credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience pays off. Stay in the know. Download your bank and credit card apps. Monitor your balances and know your statement dates. There you have it. An easy roadmap to reaching a perfect credit score in the UK, no matter where you are starting from. Remember, a healthier credit rating can literally save you thousands in interest over your lifetime. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more money saving hacks, investment strategies, and financial freedom tips. Got questions or your own success story to share? Drop a comment below. Let's help each other out on the journey to financial success. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.